outlining dhcp on Microsoft Server 2003. dhcp is a protocol for handing out IP addresses over a network. To set this up, first you have to make sure that your computer has a static IP. You can do this by going to Control Panel, Network Connections, and Local Area Connection. Right-click, go to Properties. If you have two local area connections, you might want to disable one of them, just to avoid causing confusion over the network. Double-click on Internet Protocol TCP/IP, and you want to make sure that you click the radio button, use the following IP address. For this, I'm going to be using 192.168.1.2. I'm going to use the default subnet mask, and for the default gateway, I'm going to select 192.168.1.1. We don't need to set up DNS because we're not going out to the internet on this. We're just outlining DHCP. Click OK and OK on the next two boxes, and that should implement the static IP. Assuming your computer doesn't freeze. Alright, next you're going to have to start the DHCP snapping. Alright, once that is started, you want to select your machine. Apparently there's already a scope on here. And you want to right-click on the machine and select New Scope. Click Next. And you want to give your scope a name. I'm going to call mine Server Final. You can give it a description if you're using multiple scopes to help yourself quickly identify which scope is which. Next is the range. I'm going to give mine a range of about 20 IPs. No. I'm going to use the default subnet mask. Next, I'm going to add exclusions. I'm going to add 3 exclusions for my default gateway, my DHCP machine, and a third one for a network hard drive. Click Add, and it should show up below. I'm going to click Next now. This is the least duration. I'm going to leave it as the default, which is 8 days. Which is plenty of time. And now it gives you the option to set up advanced options. I'm going to click Yes. This is the default gateway. There should be only one. Mine is 192.168.1.1. You type it in here. It's important to make sure you click Add, otherwise it won't show up. Okay. Next, I'm going to leave the DNS server blank. Like I said, we're not connecting to the internet, so this is not important. Win server is outdated and we don't use it, so that's not important either. Yes, I want to activate scope. Finish, and your scope should be online. To check to see if people have connected, you can click this to expand the menu, and click on Address Leases. There's currently no one here, so I'm going to do an IP renew and release on all the machines that connect to the network through DHCP. Refresh the page. See Janet has connected to the network. We're going to wait a few seconds. Refresh the page again. Do the IP config release or renew one more time. Refresh the page, and there we see we have all the clients connected. This concludes my presentation of DHCP. Thank you very much. Have a good Christmas. Bye.